Welcome to the new offices. Hello.
Can I take you through my favourite feature of what we've got so far?
Yes.
I like this phallus and testicle looking thing that's been wiped off this wall that I'm starting to think we should keep.
Yeah.
At what point is this going on too long?
Hey up everyone. This is in a beautiful place in Hertfordshire. It smells of cow poo most days, but I don't mind that so much. What Matt's just saying there is there are no signs, so you're probably going to need to see this video to know where we are. Come on, let's go inside and just have a look.
I think what we really discovered is you are a Facebook Marketplace warrior.
Yes.
Who can pretty much find anything upcycled, recycled and salvaged. You did a good job on that actually.
Thanks.
To be fair,
Thanks, Matt.
Don't let it go to your head, but you did.
Kind. I mean, this still is difficult to talk into, right? Well, I think this office, because it's got a homely feel with the sofas and this and the TVs and the lighting and the plants and the colours, you're not walking into a sterile office where there's loads of people looking at you. It's more of a trendy YouTube space, and that's what I'm putting it down to. I just think it's different, it's nice, it's spacious, it's clean, it looks new. That's one thing. Our old office was old and tatty. Beginning of World War One, not World War One, World War Two.
You'd live here if you could, wouldn't you?
I'll move in, yeah. This could be a good video for how awkward it is to try and do something new.